Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for PicWish app, or just click on search. Then here at PicWish, it's going to show for you like this. Here you click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here, and then you search here for PicWish. It's going to show for you like this. You will find updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.